The next thing you absolutely need to know is what are the restrictions of your graph? So let's just kind of go through an example. That's the best way to kind of explain this taper here. So let's say if I had a graph of negative x, 3, and let's see, x minus 2, quantity squared. Let's just go with there. Now, these are going to be your three functions, right? And I would expect, based on what I just taught, that you could be able to graph all three of these. Now, if I was to graph all three of these on the same axis, okay, if I was to graph these all three on the same axis, there would be the negative x. I would have 3 would look something like here. Don't worry about my scale. And then x minus 2 shifted 2 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. And x minus 2 would look something like this. Now, what do you guys recognize that is a problem with this function? Well, it's not a function, right? This function fails the vertical line test miserably, right? If I just go and graph a nice little vertical line here, I have a x across here, it crosses there, and it crosses there, right? For a function to exist, it can only pass the vertical line test at one single point. So in this case, this is not a function. F of x is not a function. That's why we have the restrictions.